All right, in the last lesson 1.6, we looked at expressions which don't have equal signs, and today we're going to look at equations which do have the equal signs. Right, and we'll still have variables, and again, variables are representations of things from the problem that we are trying to solve. And so again, equations, these use equal signs. There's our equal sign. You're very familiar with that. Right, but we're going to look to solve the equations. All right, so here I have an equation of 18 equals 14 plus t. My goal, anytime that I have an equation, is that I want to get the variable to stand alone. So if I have 18 equals 14 plus t, I want t to stand alone. In order to do that, I need to get rid of my 14. All right, so I'm going to subtract 14 from there, and that's going to leave me with a situation. I can't just take something from one side and think it's going to be good. I have to take something from both sides. So if I take 14 from one side, I have to take 14 from the other. Okay, so I'm going to take 14 from both sides, and then as I move on, it says 18 minus 14 is 4. Now that's going to equal t, and that gives me an answer. Okay, so I've solved for the variable. Now I can go back and check also, and I can say, all right, well, 14 plus 4, does that equal 18? Well, 14 plus 4 does equal 18, and so I'm set. That's a good thing. If I come over here and look at this next problem, I'm going to have p minus 5 equals 20. Now, again, I want to get that variable to stand alone, but I have p, and then I have 5 less than whatever p is. To get back to p, what I want to do is add 5 more to it. I want to even it out. Okay, these are additive inverses. If I have negative 5 and then I add 5 to it, they essentially cancel each other out. But again, if I add 5 to one side, I'm going to have to add 5 to the other side as well. Now I have p minus 5, I add 5 to it, and I'm left with p. On the other side, so that I could keep them even, if I had 20 plus 5, that's going to equal 25. If I plug 25 back in for p up here at the top, p minus 5 equals 20. Yes, that works. I've checked it. Things are good. If I move on, you're going to see I have a number of other problems. We're going to go over some of these tomorrow, and we're going to get into some word problems where we make our own, decide on some variables, use some variables, and see how they interact with each other. So it should be good. I'm looking forward to it, and we'll see you when class starts tomorrow.